If you're seeing the message that email is temporarily unavailable in AOL Mail on Firefox, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 2 quick fixes that usually solve the problem in just a few minutes. This is a simple browser issue in many cases, and the good news is that you can often get AOL Mail working again without changing any account settings. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should do is clear your cache and cookies in Firefox. This helps remove old or corrupted website data that may be causing AOL Mail to load incorrectly. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. That will open the Clear Browsing Data window. In the time range, you can choose a suitable option, but the most important part is making sure cookies and cache are selected. So look for the options for cookies and cache and select them both. If you see other items checked, uncheck those so you only clear the data you actually need for this fix. Once that's done, click Delete Data. Firefox will clear the selected data, and this may take a moment depending on how much has been stored. After that finishes, go back and try opening AOL Mail again to see if the issue is resolved. If you still see the temporary unavailable message, there's one more setting to check. On the AOL Mail page in Firefox, look next to the address bar for the shield icon. This shield represents enhanced tracking protection, which can sometimes block parts of the site from loading properly. Click the shield icon and turn off enhanced tracking protection for the AOL site. This only disables the protection for that specific website, which can help AOL Mail load correctly while still keeping protection on for other sites. After turning it off, refresh the AOL Mail page and test it again. In many cases, one of these 2 steps will fix the problem right away. If clearing cookies and cache doesn't work, the site protection setting often does the trick. And if the email page starts loading normally again, you're good to go. If this video helped, please hit like and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.